SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable auto brightness on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're tired of manually adjusting the brightness on your iPhone and you think that a screen that's too bright is causing your battery to run low too quickly, then you might be interested in trying the auto brightness setting. You can enable this option by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the accessibility option from this menu. And then you can choose display and text size in the vision section at the top of the screen. Now you're just going to need to scroll all the way to the bottom of this menu where you're going to find the auto brightness option. So now you can just tap the button to the right of that to turn it on. Note that depending on the environment that you're currently in, your iPhone screen may adjust automatically now, or you might need to wait until you change the lighting conditions to see the iPhone's auto brightness option take effect.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.